Welcome to this lab. This is a lab about AWS CloudTrail. What CloudTrail allows you to do is to keep track of any changes that you make in the environment. So what we're going to do here is we're going to type in CloudTrail. Click on CloudTrail at the very top. This will take us to the CloudTrail page. Here we're going to click in Create CloudTrail. And we can type in a trail name as we like, lab-CloudTrail. So we're going to click on Create Trail. So there we go. We have now created a CloudTrail environment. So we can go there and have a quick look. But once we go and click in the lab-CloudTrail, this is the one we have just created. You can scroll down and have a look at what's available to you. We're not going to need to change many things in here. So you can see the status is logging over here. If you go back to the CloudTrail in here, you can see the event history. Okay. Now you can click on View Event History and you'll be able to see all the changes I have been making in the environment. Now, if I go to my EC2 environment, I can look at the instances that I have in there. So I have one instance that is running. I can click on the instance and I can bring this instance to a halt, so I can stop this instance, right? And this information should be registered in the CloudTrail. Okay, so let's wait for this to complete finishing its task of stopping this virtual machine. Now you can see the instance state is equal to running is 0. We have the instance itself. It says instance is stopping. Just wait for it for a bit to stop. It's going to refresh the page once again. Now you can see the instance has stopped. We can go now back to a CloudTrail. And we can go into event history. And now you can see the events in here. So it hasn't updated the events yet, so it'll take a few seconds before you'll be able to see the events of me stopping that machine. For now, we can have a quick look at one of the events that had transpired before, in which I had created a log group, right? So you can see now what's appeared here is stop instances. So I stopped the instances at a certain time. So this information has been logged by CloudTrail. And that is the whole idea behind the CloudTrail. It'll keep a date stamp of when that was done, what was done, who did this, right? Keeping track. So this was in US East 1 region. What was the source IP address that initiated this stopping of the instance? You could say stopping from running. Previous state was running. Current state is stopping. So very, very short lab, but basically indicates that what can be done in CloudTrail in terms of being able to track any changes that you make to the environment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very small session, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.